Classic Roman shade corded, sleek design for effortless light control. Flat design, minimalist aesthetics. Continuous corded loop system. Choose plastic or stainless steel option for smooth lifting. Mark the punch position for the mounting brackets. Punch holes for mounting brackets. Insert the expansion screws into the holes. Secure the mounting brackets. Insert the headrail into the brackets.
Place the shade in its designated position. Use a spirit level to ensure that the shade is level.
Mark the punch position for the mounting brackets. After determining the position, punch the holes. Insert the expansion screws into the holes. Then secure the mounting brackets. Insert the headrail into the brackets.
Position the safety buckle at a suitable location inside the window frame and mark the screw hole positions. Make holes using a drill. Insert the expansion screws into the holes. Secure the safety buckle with screws. That's it! Your safety buckle is securely installed.
Plain Roman shade cord lift, timeless style meets modern versatility.